Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by turning ripe bananas into the foundational flavor and moisture. Mash them until mostly smooth. Once done, whisk in eggs, sugar, melted butter, and vanilla so the wet mix is homogeneous. This creates structure and sweetness. Make sure the oven is already at 175 degrees C and your loaf pan is prepped so you don't lose heat. Immediately measure and set aside dry ingredients next to the bowl to streamline the process. You're moving fast to preserve air in the batter. Next, combine flour, baking soda, and salt. If you're doing fusion, blend in matcha, cocoa, or spices now to layer flavor. Once dry ingredients are sifted, incorporate them in 2 additions to the banana mix, folding with a spatula until moistened but still slightly streaky. This prevents toughness. After that, fold in your fusion inclusions like nuts, berries, or chocolate chips for texture contrast. Make sure to scrape the bowl bottom to catch unincorporated pockets. Even mixing equals. Pour the batter into the prepared pan, smooth the top, and tap once to settle air pockets. Bake at 175 degrees C for 50 to 60 minutes. Begin checking at 45 minutes. Use a toothpick inserted into the center. Remove when it comes out with a few moist crumbs, not wet batter, to maintain tenderness. Once out, cool in pan 10 minutes, then transfer to a rack. If the loaf is dense or underbaked, tent with foil and give it 10-15 more minutes. This prevents overbrowning while finishing the crumb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.